Hi, this is Ed from SOS Legal Staffing, and today we have Kevin with us. And Kevin, can you tell us where you're from?
Yes, I'm from Tegucigalpa, Honduras, in Central America.
Oh, fantastic. All right. And tell us a little bit about yourself.
Okay, is things that you need to know about me. I love video games. I love soccer, spending time with my family. I'm on my second year studying my law degree here in Honduras, and I have 5 years experience working with law firms in the U.S.
Fantastic. And as I recall, you worked for a little while here in the U.S., correct?
Yes, I actually worked for a 10 month in South Carolina in Charleston with an H-2B visa. It was a temporary work visa that I was able to get to go to work there. Okay, it was an event company. It was nothing related to law, but it was a funny experience, and I really liked the experience to go to. And I love the city. I love Charleston. It
Yeah,
was a pretty good
Charleston,
experience.
Charleston is a nice city.
Yes,
Lots of history there. Well, outstanding. Good. So you've had both working for law firms and working in the United States, so you have good exposure to Americans in the way we do business. So, well, tell me, I think you mentioned you have about a total of 5 years experience working for U.S. law firms. Is that correct?
that is correct.
All right. Oh, fantastic. And what kind of practice areas were these firms did they practice in?
Yes, I have 4 years working with workers' compensation law firms in California. I began working as a paralegal, but I also have experience working as a case manager.
Okay, so paralegal and case manager. And were now you worked for, is it three firms altogether?
For workers' comp, it was only two, Goldberg and Lauren, and
Okay, yeah, that's okay.
Joseph
You
D.
don't need to
Ryan.
name don't need to name the firms.
Okay.
So two workers' comp law firms, and then a third law firm you worked for also,
Yes, it was a family law firm in Florida.
family law
I,
firm. Okay, in
yes.
Florida. Okay, great, great. Okay, got it. And what size were these firms? How many lawyers did they have?
Okay. The two in California, I think that they were small law firms because they have like approximately like 5 to 10 attorneys.
Okay, all
Hmm.
right. Both of them are about the same size.
Yes.
All righty. And how about the firm in Florida, the family law firm?
Oh, they were a little bit bigger. I think that they have like from 15 to 20, but they have a
Okay.
lot of more cases. Actually, I work on as an intake specialist, and it was a big department, so we sign a lot of cases per day. Mhm.
Okay. And as an intake specialist, did
Mhm.
you conduct your activities in both English and Spanish?
Of course.
All right. Got it. Very, very interesting. That's useful to know. So, how about in the workers' comp cases? Did you also do that? I presume even as a case manager, you had inter contact with the client. Did you do that in Spanish and English also?
Yes, of course. And I also help the attorneys, okay, to prepare the clients for the positions. I work as an interpreter for the position, trials, and hearings.
Oh, fantastic. That's really good to know. All
Mhm.
righty. Oh, that's excellent. So, actually, that covers pretty well. We've covered your number of years, so a total of 5 years, three different firms, workers' compensation, family law, intake specialist, case manager, and conducted them both in English and in Spanish.
That's correct.
Fantastic. And you're in your second year of law school, but still looking to work for a U.S. law firm remotely.
Yes.
Fantastic. Okay. Well, great. Well, Kevin, thank you for sharing that information with us. And I'm sure there's a firm that would be anxious to put you to work for them. So
I
you
hope
have an
so too.
outstanding day, and we'll be in touch shortly.
Thank you so much, Eddie.
All right.